Uh, Hi, I'm Sudarshan. So basically I'm a biomedical engineer. Here I came to Istanbul for the training, the rigid endoscope training, the K.Storz, Olympus, Stryker. Okay, and had a training in MEG with Mr. Ibrahim. He's a wonderful explainer. He explained everything in detail, okay, and in depth, and it's a hands-on training. It's really amazing. So you will aware of it, what is inside, how to repair it, and how to remove in all the detail. He having 20 years experience. There is an experience we can learn. We can't learn. So this is, if you are coming here and learning, is a very really useful. Okay, I learned lot of things, and he's a wonderful teacher. He's a wonderful trainer, and he's like a family. So he will never feel like a so other persons. He will one of your family, and he will giving the good teaching, and it's it's a flexible. If you want any doubt anytime, you can ask, and you can he can with a happy smile he can explain. Okay, and most of the things, if you learn here, you have the confidence on you. So you have the confidence to repair the machine, repair the rigid scopes, and it's the best place to learn. I hope this is the best place. It's a good, wonderful teachers, and they will teach you in very professional way, okay, and in an excellent way. This is my comment, and I strongly recommend whoever want to be learn how to repair the rigid endoscopes. Here is the best place. The MEG is the best.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sudarshan.